Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8th Subject English.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of poem 2, the geography lesson. In the previous class, we already discussed the question answers of tsunami lesson, and I given you the homeworks that you have to write the question answers 4 or 5 times. I hope you all done the homeworks very well. As usual, you have to take your English book and blue pen, black pen. Let us go to the question answer. Students, I hope all of you took your English note. Let us go to the question answer. Poem 2, geography lesson. Poem 2, geography lesson, you have to use your black pen. Then meaning. Then underline that meaning. First one, inevitable. INEVITABLE. Then use your blue pen. That cannot be avoided. Second, Hafat. Without plan or order. Third one, delineated. DELINATED. Delineated, shown. Then leave one line. Then again write. Use your black pen. Extract. Underline. Then write. This is the stanzas of the poem. Put Roman letter 1. I forgot to write that one. You have to write. Put Roman letter 1. Then this is a stanza. We just conclude here. Okay. When the jet sprang into the sky, then ... When the jet sprang into the sky. First question. These lines are taken from the poem ... Answer, geography lesson. Second one. What does the poet describe here? What does the poet describe here? DESCRIBE. Describe here. Answer, the scene of the city. The scene of the city. Full stop. Third question. What does the poet notice? Question mark. Answer, the city is not planned. Full stop. Fourth question. What does the line, then inverted comma, there seemed an inevitability, inverted comma closed, mean? What does the line there seemed an inevitability mean? Question mark. Answer, we cannot avoid the way the city had spread. We cannot avoid the way the city had spread. Full stop. Fifth question. What does the word sprang within inverted commas in the above stanza mean? Answer, went up. Full stop. Then Roman letter second. When jet reached 10,000 feet, ... then 10,000 feet, full stop. Second Roman letter, first question. Who is the poet of these lines? Question mark. Zulfikar Ghose. ZULFIKARGHOSE. Zulfikar Ghose. Second question. What do people want the most for their settlement? Question mark. Answer, water. Third question. Which region of the earth is thickly populated? Answer, valleys. Fourth question. The jet aeroplane was flying at the height of. The jet aeroplane was flying at the height of. Answer, 10,000 feet. Fifth question, what does the word delineated mean? Answer Sean. What does the word delineated mean? Answer Sean. Then third Roman letter, when the jet ... then ... clear why. First question, where is the poet? Question mark. Answer, in the jet aeroplane. Sorry, in a jet aeroplane. Full stop. What is the second thing that he noticed from the height? Question mark. The earth has more sea than land. Answer, the earth has more sea than land. Full stop. Then third question, what is the first thing that he notices from the height of 6 miles in the sky? Question mark. Answer, the earth is round. Fourth question, what does he find, F-I-N-D, find difficult to understand from that height? Question mark. Answer, why the people hate and kill one another. Full stop. Fifth question, which of the following word mean opposite to love? Answer, hate. Full stop. Students, today our homework is you should study the question answers and you have to read the poem once again. Thank you, children.